Today, we're tackling a major security alert that's relevant to millions of Chrome and Edge users. If you use browser extensions, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check if your computer was affected by a dangerous campaign and how to protect yourself going forward. So, what happened? Researchers recently discovered a stealthy attack involving 18 browser extensions, which were available for download right inside the official Chrome and Edge web stores. These extensions racked up over 2 million installs worldwide. And here's the twist. They all looked trustworthy. The developers gave them useful features, piled up positive reviews, boasted verified badges, and sometimes even landed them in that coveted featured spot. On the surface, any one of us would have felt safe installing them. But here's why this matters. Sometimes, a browser extension that starts out totally innocent can be secretly taken over. Think of them as sleeper agents, extensions that behave themselves for months or even years, building trust. Then through an update, cybercriminals can slip in malicious code. Suddenly, anyone using them is exposed. One example, there was an extension pretending to help people search ChatGPT, looking harmless, until it quietly began spying on users. Once these extensions wake up, they hijack your browser every time you visit a new site. Let's slow this down. Every single time you click a new link, the extension grabs the URL you're visiting, attaches a unique ID to identify you, and sends that info off to a remote server. The attackers can then push back redirect instructions, meaning your browser could be sent somewhere else automatically. It's subtle, but incredibly dangerous. Imagine you receive a legit Zoom meeting invite, click the link, and instead of joining, the extension silently reroutes you to a fake page. It says you need a critical Zoom update, which you download thinking it's real. In reality, you've just installed more malware, exposing your computer to further attacks, and in some cases, giving criminals full control. The good news? Most of these extensions have been removed from the web stores, but researchers estimate 1.7 million Chrome users and well over 2 million people overall were impacted. This is a classic lesson. Even official stores aren't foolproof. The review process at places like the Chrome Web Store involves both auto checks and human inspection, but some slip through. Remember, installing extensions from outside official stores is even riskier. Alright, here's the key part. How you can check your own system right now. Grab a pen, because I'll list the extension names you need to look for. On Chrome, search for Emoji Keyboard. Online, Free Weather Forecast, Unlock Discord, Dark Theme, Volume Max, Unblock TikTok, Unlock YouTube VPN, Gecko Color Pick, and Weather. On Edge, keep an eye out for Unlock TikTok, Volume Booster, Web Sound Equalizer, Header Value, Flash Player, YouTube Unblocked, Search GPT, and Unlock Discord. If you spot any of these in your browser extensions list, don't panic. Let's walk through what to do next. First, remove those extensions immediately, then clear your browsing data. This includes cookies, cache, and history. A friendly warning, once you do this, websites won't remember your logins, so you'll need to sign back into your accounts. Next, if you visited sensitive sites, like your online banking or email, while one of these extensions was installed, monitor those accounts closely for suspicious activity and change your passwords just in case. Enable two-factor authentication on those accounts if possible. Adding that extra layer of security is always worth the minute it takes. Resetting your browser back to defaults is another smart move to undo sneaky changes to search engines or homepages. Yes, this wipes out your manual settings too, but you'll be starting clean. After that, keep watch for any unfamiliar security alerts in your emails or text messages. Of course, make sure your browser itself and any remaining extensions stay up to date. And for total peace of mind, run a full system scan with a trusted tool like Malware. It will catch and clean up stealthy infections and block those risky domains moving forward. One final tip. If any extension asks for new permissions after an update, pause and check exactly what it's requesting. If it doesn't make sense or feels excessive, you're better off looking for a safer alternative. I hope this video helped clarify what's going on and how you can protect your online life. If you learned something new, please hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on staying safe and productive online. Thanks for watching.